Morning students, hope you all will be enjoying your Google classes. Students, today we are going to study about some facts in GK. So be ready with your GK book and open page number 22. There are some very interesting facts and we need to know about these facts. Before starting the topic, I want to remind you, maintain social distancing and use mask. Okay, for avoiding the COVID infection. So here on the screen you can see a great Pandit, you can say great scholar. That great scholar, he was a great ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician, known for his work on the revolution of the earth, prediction of eclipses and the use of place value in number systems. India's first satellite was named after him also. So he is a great person. And do you know about the astronomer? Astronomer also like a scientist, but they do research in the field of astronomy. Astronomy belongs to planet, earth, moon, sun, stars, like that. And a mathematician. Mathematician always uses mathematics to find out the secret. These secrets may be related to earth. These secrets may be related to that solar system. Okay, and that was the person. Name of that person, if you are thinking, yes, Aryabhatta will be the right answer. So the answer of first clue is Aryabhatta. Now let's move to the second clue. This is a statue of a great person which is related to medical field. He was the principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of the Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it. What is the name of that person? Can you guess it? Yes, if you are thinking Charak is the right answer. Now let's move to the clue number third. His groundbreaking work was in Shalya Tantra. Shalya means pain, Tantra means system. With the help of some equipment, removing the pain from the human body. This is known as Shalya Tantra. And today, surgery field. So, curing patients through surgeries, he developed various unique techniques to dissect the human body and study its structure. The name of that person, yes, if you are thinking about Sushruta is the right answer. Okay, now let's move to the next clue, clue number 4. Again you can see a Pandit like person on the screen. He was an outstanding Indian astronomer and mathematician also, who also had a thorough knowledge of the Western astronomy. He is known for his book Panch Siddhantika, a detailed study of Western and Indian astronomy. Yes, the name of that person, Varaha Mihira, will be the right answer. Now let's move to the fifth clue. That person, he was an ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician of the 7th century. His major work includes the books the Mahabhaskarya and Laghu Bhaskarya that dealt with the longitude of planets, solar and lunar eclipses and the phases of the moon. The name of that person, that great scholar, yes, Bhaskara will be the right answer. Now let's move to the last and final clue, clue number 6. He was an ancient Indian astronomer of the 6th century, known for his book Brahma Sukta Siddhanta, an astronomical work. He defined zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself. The name of that great scholar, yes, Brahmagupta will be the right answer. So I hope that it will be the enough for today. And be safe, be happy. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, bye bye.